Another beautiful week. There's nothing much to do here. No motivation to do whatsoever. The internet is full with wars and chaotic world, and I really have no motivation to do any vlog or anything artistic for that matter. So I don't know yet if I can plan out this week. It is a beautiful day of the next morning and it's raining heavy. Anyway, there's a lot of stuff going on. I'll fill you guys in later when I find a nice place to sit. This food truck there, they sell some good stuff, so I'm gonna try buy something from them. So it's kind of weird that I have beard before and now I don't. This is 3 days later or 4 days later. I was editing my vlog and I didn't realize that I didn't even explain what's this vlog about. So here it is. About a month ago I bought my first drone and then I kind of lost it 2 weeks later in the forest, somewhere in the forest of the school in Silang, Cavite. So last week I think I bought my second drone. So here's the problem with that drone. It's the most standard combo that I can get. It is the one battery and one remote control combo. So I think I explained that on my previous vlog, but anyway, so there's only one battery and I kind of need at least 2 or 3 batteries because I'm bringing the drone back home and I'm going to the village. The village doesn't have power, so I'm trying to get as much as power supply as in battery as much as possible so I can go home and vlog back home. So yeah, that's today's vlog. We're gonna look for drone battery on today's vlog.
Spring brings all things, new things, sound, sight.
It has been raining heavy. Today I went out looking for battery. I was thinking that the 4K battery would be compatible with the Mini 3, but no, it's the 4K Pro. So I bought the Mini 4K. So the battery is not good, but I'm still searching for Mini 3. I might get it, I'll check online or something. But yeah, so I searched SM, there's nothing. I went to the cyber zone of SM, couldn't find anything. I went all the way to Robinson, I couldn't find anything also. So I decided I'm gonna order online. It's 4,000 pesos or something to order online. So I might just order online from the DJI shop store. So it might take several weeks to come, but at least I wanna get extra. Yesterday, I didn't know that there's a new Dairy Queen shop open recently here in Nuvali. Right here. So I skipped the whole place. Still open. God damn. Anyway, just today I found out that there's a new Dairy Queen here, so I skipped the Ayala place and come here. Is it closed? When do you guys close?
Close na po. Deliver and daily sandwich na lang po is kung available.
scratch that, it's close. So today I'm gonna go to Dairy Queen and get myself some milkshake. Ocean wet floor. Through the entrance. Is there Yes. Can I have a vanilla milkshake?
Again,
Vanilla milkshake.
vanilla milkshake, okay. Sir, one vanilla milkshake. Okay, sir. Thank you po. Pero wala po kami whipped cream. Walang whipped cream. Sa kanila, walang whipped cream.
Yeah, red light doesn't work. Oh, nope, too bright. Hang on. More like it. So anyway, I just got back from flying my drone. I was doing some not night video shoot, but around 6-ish, 7-ish. It was raining, so it get dark really quickly. So I took some of the videos. And yeah, I'm just finished. I came back here. Anyway, about the vlog and the old battery fiasco. I couldn't find any battery when I checked at Nuvali. I couldn't find anything. I checked on DJI Philippines. There's nothing on their website. Now on the DJI store, it's I think in America. So if I order, it will come straight from the US, which is, I don't know if tax included or not. I was doing little research online and I found out that there's a shop in BGC that they sell like every accessories of DJI. I don't know when I'm gonna go yet, but I will get there. So yeah, I might go to BGC and see if I can get a battery there. It's really bad luck on the battery thingy, but you know, I'm not rushing to go anywhere yet, so I'm just gonna take my time. Probably next week or so I'll go and check the battery. See you on the next one.